So what you can also do over here is you can go ahead and access our chat history of Qwen for the past chats that you may have sent. So over here, you can see that I have this particular prompt right here of story generation. But if I want to access our prompts that I had given to Qwen beforehand, so if you're logged in, then you can actually go around over here onto the top left hand section right here, just like this. And here you can see that there's different past here chat history that I can access. I can go ahead and click on this and I get this particular chat history right here. So there's benefits of traveling, as you can see right here, and I get this right here. So I can simply go ahead and say, give me more right here and continue chatting for that particular prompt right there, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then access our chat history and even interact with the chat history as you like inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.